Hi guys, welcome to JExploit. Okay guys, my name is Jidhan and in today's video we are going to discuss about Nmap. Nmap is an acronym for Network Mapper. It is an open source tool which you can download it online or it comes inbuilt in Kali Linux. The tool is mainly used for scanning, network discovery and reconnaissance purpose. Nmap basically sends packets to the end systems that are the host. Host can be anything. It can be a laptop, it can be a mobile phone or a server, anything. So it basically sends packets to the end systems and the response that it gets back might contain some juicy information that we need. It can be port information, it can be OS information and so on and so forth. So in this first video of Nmap series, I'm going to show you how to specify targets in Nmap. You can scan a single target or multiple targets or a range of targets according to your choice. So without wasting much time, let's quickly move on to the demo. Okay guys, now I'm going to show you how to specify targets in Nmap. But before we move on with that, please do not do this in an unauthorized environment. I'm doing it in my lab setup, so please make sure that you are doing it in a lab or in an authorized environment. So specifying a single target in Nmap is really easy. All you have to do is open up the terminal in your Kali Linux box and type nmap space the IP address of the target. In this case, the IP address is 192.168.0.115. So as you can see, we got the results. All of these are the open ports in the specified target. And the scan got finished in 0.29 seconds. Okay, now you can also specify multiple targets in Nmap. So I'm going to specify two different targets. For that, you have to type the command nmap space the IP address of the first target and space the IP address of the second target. And as you can see, we got the results. So if I scroll up, you can see that there are two targets. The first target, which is 192.168.0.105, and the second target 192.168.0.115. So both targets are scanned and we got the results. So that's how we can scan multiple targets in Nmap. Okay, so instead of specifying multiple IPs, you can also specify a range of IPs. For that, you have to type the command nmap space the IP address range. So in this case, it is 192.168.0.100 to 110. So what is going to happen here is Nmap is going to scan between the IP address range 192.168.0.100 to 192.168.0.110. So it is basically going to scan 11 IP address starting from 100 to 110. So Nmap has started scanning and we got the results. So as you can see, Nmap has scanned 11 different IP addresses and out of that only one host is up and the scanning took 1.74 seconds. And if I scroll up, you can see the host which is up. It is 192.168.0.105. Okay, so next we are going to scan random hosts with Nmap. For that, you have to type the command nmap space hyphen small letter I caps letter R space, let's say I want to scan 5 random hosts. So just have to give 5. Now it is going to fetch the details of 5 random hosts. Okay, so the random hosts whichever has taken by Nmap, none of them are up and the scanning took 3.11 seconds. Okay, next we are going to scan a host using CIDR value. CIDR is nothing but the classless inter-domain routing. This can be used when you are scanning a subnetted network. For that, you have to type the command nmap space the IP address starting from 0 and its CIDR value. Since I am using a class C network, the CIDR value is 24. Okay, so now you can scan and Nmap has started scanning the whole network. So it will take some time to scan the entire network because it has got 256 IPs. Okay, now as you can see, Nmap has scanned 256 IP address and out of that 5 hosts are up and the scanning took 8.94 seconds to complete. Now you can also specify targets in a file and you can read that with Nmap and scan the targets. So I'm going to create a text file, let it be host.txt. Okay, now I have created the text file and now I'm going to specify the targets. So let it be 192.168.0.105 and let the second target may be 192.168.0.115. Okay, now that I have created the text file and saved the target information, let's scan using Nmap. To scan the targets from a file, you have to type the command nmap space hyphen small I caps L space the file name. So in this case, the file name is host.txt and all you have to do is hit enter. And as you can see, the two different IP addresses mentioned in the host file got scanned and we got the results. The last one is you can also exclude targets from scanning using Nmap. For example, I'm going to scan 100 targets, but I don't want a specific host to be scanned. So what I can do is I can exclude that host and scan rest of the 99 targets. To exclude the targets and scan, you have to type the command nmap space hyphen exclude space the IP address or the host which you want to exclude. For example, 192.168.0.105. So I want to exclude this IP and scan a range of IPs 192.168.0.100 to 120. So what exactly Nmap is going to do here is it is going to scan between a range 100 to 120 excluding the IP 192.168.0.105. So if I hit enter, it is going to scan and give us the results. So as you can see, only one host is up because we have excluded one host from scanning. Okay guys, that's pretty much from this video. Before we wrap it up, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get the latest video updates. See you soon with the next video. Till then, bye bye.